Welcome to VoiceBootcamp, a global name in collaboration and contact-centered training. Hello, my name is Faisal Khan. I'm the Cisco and Genesys Cloud instructor at VoiceBootcamp. And in this video series of Genesys Cloud API Self-Study Kit, we're going to discuss about the recording API. After completing this particular chapter, you should be able to describe the options to download the recording, understand, download recording based on the conversation ID, download multiple recording, as well as describe the integration process to download recording. Genesys Cloud CX offers multiple options to download a recording. API architecture of the Genesys Cloud CX allows you to choose the platform API service or integration service for your Genesys Cloud CX environment to download these recordings. Now, you may choose to download a file to your local storage or a cloud storage system. By using the export recording using UI, downloading, or you can also use the individual download recording options. By downloading an individual recording in this method, you need to download the recording from the interaction view, and you can only download one recording at a time. You can also enable automatically exporting recording to your S3 bucket. So if you have Amazon S3 bucket, you can also export it automatically. In this method, you can export the recording to your AWS S3 bucket using the recording policies. No coding or custom application is required for this type of integrations. Download recording individually. This method is very similar to manual downloading a record via the user interface, except you just use the API from an external application instead of the Genesys graphical user interface. You can do a bulk export to a local server. So if you have an external NAS server or FTP server, you want to upload that, you could achieve that by using the bulk admin export tool. Genesys Cloud CX, each recording is identified by a conversation ID and the recording ID. Now, if you wish to download one recording, you may choose to target that particular conversation. Now, the easiest method to download a recording is to use the Genesys own web interface, right? So if you have access to the Genesys Cloud admin, you should be able to go to your interactions and then download that. Now, let's take a look at how that interaction looks like. So let's say I will choose this.